Hey there, travelers. Welcome to the ultimate guide on luggage for bus travel. Planning a trip and wondering what you can bring along? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the essentials for a smooth, hassle-free journey. First up, let's talk about the essentials, what you can bring on board and what goes under the bus. Most bus companies allow each passenger one carry-on bag or personal item. The rule of thumb, it should fit in the overhead bins or neatly under the seat in front of you. If you can carry it easily without help, it's good to go. Planning to pack more? Most services include one checked bag in the ticket price. It usually goes in the bus's cargo hold and must follow specific size and weight limits. Typically, it can be up to 62 inches in total dimensions and weigh no more than 50 pounds. To avoid unexpected fees or last-minute downsizing, know your luggage limits. For checked luggage, the standard is a maximum of 62 inches when you add the length, width, and height. Carry-ons should fit overhead or under the seat. Checked luggage weight is typically capped at 50 pounds. Extra weight often means additional fees, so pack wisely. Need to bring an extra bag? Most major bus companies like Flixbus, Greyhound, and Orbis allow additional luggage for an extra fee, generally between $10 to $15 per piece. If your bag is oversized or exceeds the weight limit, expect to pay around $10 or more for each oversized item. Even oversized bags need to fit safely within the bus's storage space. What about sports gear, instruments, or medical devices? Here's what to expect. Some bus companies permit bicycles, provided they're packed securely and space allows. There's often an extra fee, and the bike must be in a protective case. For musicians on the move, most instruments are welcome on board either as carry-ons or checked items, as long as they meet standard size and weight rules. Medical items like wheelchairs or oxygen tanks are typically allowed at no extra cost, though larger devices may need to be stored under the bus. Be sure to notify the bus company in advance to confirm accommodations. There are some no-goes for bus travel. Here's what not to pack. Hazardous materials, firearms, explosives, and flammable items are strictly prohibited. Perishable or strong-smelling goods might not be allowed to avoid disturbing other passengers. Pets are usually not permitted, except for service animals. A few services, like Peter Pan, may allow small pets if they're securely in a carrier, but check with your bus provider for details. Accidents happen, so here's how to protect your belongings. Most bus companies limit their responsibility for lost or damaged checked bags to around $250 per bag. If you're carrying valuables, consider additional insurance. If your luggage is lost or damaged, contact customer service right away. Many services require claims within 24 hours post-travel. For travelers crossing borders, double-check luggage policies. Customs and international laws may affect what items you can bring, so verify that your bags comply with both countries' regulations to avoid any border issues. Here are some final tips to keep your travel smooth and worry-free. Give yourself extra time to check in luggage, especially during busy seasons. Adding contact information on your bags can prevent loss and help with faster recovery if something goes astray. Familiarize yourself with size and weight restrictions before packing to sidestep surprise fees or downsizing at the terminal. And that wraps up our guide on luggage for bus travel. By following these tips, you'll be prepared, confident, and ready for a smooth journey. Safe travels, and remember, the road is yours. Busbuster.